Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Dave from Edge Planet. This is our StickerMule Edge Planet merch haul. So since I've been, formulating the idea of Edge Planet, I wanted to show you some of the designs that I've made and what we have right now available in the StickerMule store, which I'll link to in the links below in the show notes and in the pinned comment. Number one. This is the OG Edge Planet shirt that I had designed. It's very, very simple, very sleek, not too busy. Here, I'm going to unwrap it for you. And then see, it's just right here in the right pocket here. And this is also the original one that I had made up. So I have been wearing this around. It's very, very comfortable. And actually, it's probably one of my favorite designs because it's very minimalist. So this is the other one I had made up. I just got this as well. And by the way, when you order from StickerMule, you'll get a coaster and some stickers as well. I've noticed they include them on all the new orders, so you're going to be seeing that a lot. This is the Edge Planet Carry Sharp Live Ready. We have a giant knife slashing through, cutting through earth, and then the Edge Planet logo down here. This is on the front, and in case you want to see the back is just blank. But this shirt will also be available on our StickerMule store. Now we have this shirt, which I just had made up. This is a new design I was tinkering with, and it is the astronaut. Now, initially, you're gonna see this again. Now, this isn't my favorite design, but I still kind of like it, so I'm gonna keep it up on the StickerMule store. And this is a heavier shirt, by the way, that I got as part of a sample test from StickerMule. And this might be a little late for this, but I'm still going to show it. I'm already running out of room. This is a hoodie with the Live Sharp Carry Ready knife cutting the earth and the Edge Planet logo. This is a hoodie. I'm gonna test this around. It's still somewhat cold here in Pennsylvania, so at least I can use it somewhat for the rest of the season. But also, that is available also on the StickerMule store. Also on our StickerMule store is our own mule sauce, the Live Sharp Carry Ready Edge Planet mule sauce on the StickerMule store. And I got some pins. So these pins are actually what the initial design that I showed you a few shirts ago was based off of. This is a beautiful design. I love how these things have turned out. They are going to be available on the StickerMule store as well. They're actually available now. All you have to do is click on the pinned comment, and they're there. And also, I just wanted to show you this real quick about what else I got. I got some customized tape. So when I ship boxes out to people, it comes with its own sponge. I actually didn't know what this was at first, but it's its own sponge, so you can wet the back of this. And when I tape boxes, it'll have my own Edge Planet tape on the boxes. Some really nice branding there. So let me know what you think. Is there any designs that you think I should go with? Any designs that you'd like to see? Feel free. And again, these are all available right now at the pinned comment from our StickerMule store. So again, thanks everyone for watching. I will see you all in the next video. This is Dave from Edge Planet. Please make sure to carry sharp and live ready.